Candidates who had recently appeared for the recruitment examination for the position of staff nurse and auxiliary nurse midwifery A&M, advertised by the Meghalaya Medical Services Recruitment Board MMSRB, along with the members of the Employment Monitoring Cell of the Khasi Students Union, had met Meghalaya's Health Minister Dr. M. Ampreen Lyngdoh and members of the MMSRB on the 30th of September 2024 to seek clarification on the irregularities in the declaration of results of the particular examination. Speaking to reporters today, the chairman of the KSU Employment Monitoring Cell, Ruben Najjar, demanded that the result declared by the MMSRB should be withdrawn and a new one be declared, along with names, roll numbers, marks, and necessary details of all candidates, so as to avoid a biased approach to the recruitment of candidates to the vacant positions. The student leader also alleged that the irregularities have arisen due to the absence of examination and recruitment rules to regulate the entire recruitment process. Members of the board have assured the candidates of declaration of new results with details and also allowed for grievance to be aired to the board should the candidates not be satisfied with marks obtained in the particular examination, added Ruben Najjar.
Accept kata bakin pelat ikima sekin kendiat sini hadir malah ada pelat ikima sekin aipor katukan aipor ikinu kini candidates ki basmu baki yo duna ikima sekin approach syaka board ling baka grievance but on pensyai ikima sekijongki but hadin kata kita publish yaka result katkum ka vacancies lada dan unreserved lada dan ka open category kan artusan mut ki candidate di ban SC ST category badan 100% mut bagi garu 100% mut kiri ban khot tanggat tu but lada kanun ka physical verification lada omla ban penbiang iki documents na ki yat kim don ki registration bakini kita ki boro tad onda kita permit ka additional list haka vacancy ba kitu ki kena ki bala syakot ni gong kimla ban penbiang ki kendor ki babiang ti anta ki bala ban publish ka additional list nakaliang ka jingdawa ka jumi but nakaliang ka GSU but nurse ki bingila dawa khman tongka sarkar kila apdang kita ki boro but khimi lenti bah kini gisngi ki publish ki mak song boro kena kanang ba tu ba kanum don kan tu jingle tu.
A representative of the student nurses, Lor Step Nongspung, informed that the members of the Meghalaya Medical Services Recruitment Board clarified that the recent results declared listed some roll numbers twice to identify candidates who fall under both the Garo and sports categories. At the same time, Lor Step Nongspung said that the board had also clarified that the list is of physical verification of candidates and not the final results of the particular examination.
Hadian katu kacing meet ka result jong kani ka exam ka bangila dable haka alfu way tarik jong banai bakhandai jong news nam hadian ba meet ka result haka alfu pra tarik jong banai bakhandai mensingi sajan katu men step haba meet ka result ni i bakimi tam ki roll number but hadian kata ni let shaka conference meet shaka press conference meeting but hadian baladep ka press conference meeting tu ka singi hadian live je bangidap ya ka press conference meeting hadin shi kan tashteng kami pat sakawi kalis kabapen long kabapen bun ti dak jingkeli yangi namar ha kalis kabamen step ngiyo i ya kita tangki roll number mo bat kalis kabajan miet ki don ki roll number bat ki marks tamban nalor jong ki roll number ki ba mi men step dang at shu sa saupun riu teli ki roll number dia kani kapen subas ngiyo yangi tu kumta hadin bangilaya keren halor jong kania ki ongba kumba bilayo sngow na i president jong ka KSU baki kwa ba baro shispa andip saungut ki candidates kinyo bandrung natakadaw ki ay ki takilis ki extra list ru tu kumta nakaliang jong ipat ka ba pensyayong yangi kalong balay ki mi arsin ki jo ki roll number ru te ki ong namar ba kidon ki roll number ki bami hakagaro category namar most of the numbers ki roll number ki dai bai nakagaro category ki bami arsian te kidon ki bami hakagaro category kidon ruhi ki bami haka sports category te kat ba ki bai pat kumenta kum hakani ka ayu kum hakitu ki on reserve pat kitu ki bal along qualified ki badai ki ST ki mi lang ha ki ST ha ladang ipe haka garu kategori na haka khasi kategori kimdon kita ki number ba ki mi RC tena kani ka penbu ini ka dak jingkeli kan tambah hadin joka jing pensyai ki ong ba namar ba bakadai ki sports kategori bat ki garo kategori nata kadau ki mi RC kani kadang penlong umdum hiangang hadu mentaru had bang aku ban wa jing syai ngam yo kata ka jing syai ka bapura but hadin jo kata ngia keren hi balai ba kani ka ayu ya ka jo ka exam balai ki pair ki marks I mean like balai ki pair ki result te ki ong penban ba kani kam dai ka result Hendai kani kadai tang baki khot nak bentaka physical verification. Tah baki khot ya ka physical verification kabumut kadai ka result. Apa pila khot physical verification kamut kadai ka result. Tah din bangi lai karan lai tai benia bha tengi ngipoi sya kata ka yu ba ngipoi sya kata ka rai baki dei ban penmi ya ka result. Mentaka janmi lana hadu la syai bakin penmi ya kata ka result kabalong nadu roll number 1 hadu barok kitu ki ba apia hadu andriu hajar ngot ai kita ki candidates ki ba apia kita ben penmi lot ya kita ki result barok kita ben penmi ya ka kerteng ya ka yang roll number ba ya ki marks ba secure ki candidates ki ba apia ya kitu ka exam and plus nang ta ki dei hi like nakaliam jong ki ong ba kin penmi ya kata ka list kin penmi ya kata ka result but hadin jong kata kin I pouring issue host ni kin postpone try kani ka physical verification jong gitu ki like jong gitu ki qualified candidate but kin I pouring issue post ni nak benta bangin ya ka bangin complain yaki grievances jongi syaka grievances cell te hadin bangil ladang idon kanu ka jing slow down ha ka result ka jongi haki marks ki jongi ki bangi apia kemut ngila ban file explain all bangin file complaint syaka grievances cell